Yo! It has been quite some time since I've been out on the road. I'd say close to 25 minutes now. I was just doing a lap around town to hopefully spark something up. And on the way back to my spot, I guess it worked. I don't know. Maybe people just finally started waking up. Either way, first order up is a Black Rock coffee. This is $8 going 4 miles.
Hi there. All right, thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Next up, this one is on Earn by Time now. Current rate is $17 an hour. This is a Starbucks going less than a mile. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day.
You too. Yeah, I highly doubt you could hear anything in there, but I got an order for Grubhub. Starbucks, that same spot, obviously. $6 going 3 miles. And I just asked if they had it ready. They said not yet, but they'll work on it. And I said I'll be right back for it because this first order is going down the street. Like, if there was no trees right here, I could probably see it from here. Oh, I almost forgot. That last order was $6, which is pretty good. It took maybe 10 minutes, tops. Thank you. First 3 orders down, all done within the first hour, which is pretty good. And somehow using all 3 apps. Got the next order. This is a Mr. Maple Donuts going just under 4 miles. Thank you. You too. Oof, that was a no tip. Total for that was just under $4. That is terrible. Got this one right away. This is a Burger King going 6 miles. Please be better than the last one.
Thank you for choosing Burger King where you rule. How can I help you?
Thank you. Oh, that's amazing. That's a no tip. Total for that was $5 and change. It has been many minutes. I'm so far behind pace now, but we finally got an order. This is a Starbucks, $7 going 3 miles. Thank you. You too. It is so slow today, and I think I know why. Well, for DoorDash at least. I don't think I mentioned it, but they're doing that thing again where if you complete a certain amount of orders, they're going to give you an extra bonus or whatever. Same thing they did around Christmas time. I don't remember the details back then, but this time around it's do 25 orders and get an extra $50. So I've got a feeling that's why it's so slow on DoorDash. Everyone's out and about trying to get their money up. This is a Voodoo Donut going 9 miles. Leaving me somewhere I don't want to be. Total for that was $12. I mean, they tipped, but still not really worth it, to be honest. Got a shop and deliver for Safeway, $10 going 5 miles, 2 items. Ooh, this one might be annoying. We got eggs, which is easy, and we've got a dozen donuts. God, I hate shopping for donuts. Excuse me. Do you know if there's pre-made dozen donuts anywhere? Okay. Yeah, we're just not gonna do that one. I don't have time to wait around to see what they want in terms of donuts. Okay, we got something. This one is not amazing, but it is taking me back into my zone, so that's all I can ask for right now. This is Hello Waffle Cart. I think it's at $14 going 9 miles. About that, yeah, this place doesn't exist. There's supposed to be a building right here. Huh. Well, there's a problem. What is this? Got Natalia's Cafe. This one is going 7 miles. There you go. Thank you. Total for that one was $14 and change. Okay, not terrible. It was a very long wait at the restaurant, but tip was pretty decent. What is this? Shop and deliver for Safeway. Please no donuts. Okay, no donuts. This one is $10 going 4 miles, 3 items. Okay, I think this one is taking me slightly closer to home. I mean, I'm technically in a different city right now, so every inch counts. Oh, this person has the same name as my cat. Interesting. Supposed to meet them, but I'm just going through the drive-thru because I didn't see the lobby. I don't even know if they have a lobby. Hello, for Sadie.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Well, I was gonna start driving into my zone, but they gave me another order, keeping me here. This is a Burgerville going 1 mile. Total for that one was $5, and it's time to make a break for it. Let's get out of here before they give me another order. All right, time to go home. Current time is 9:59. Current total is 77, and I believe waiting on just one Uber tip, which isn't going to be that much. So yeah, today kind of sucked. It was pretty slow for a while. Had a lot of high mileage orders and too many canceled orders and no tippers. Oh well, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.